Mamaya na ulit. Melee trap, melee trap. Play coming, pay attention. I'm a bubble range trap. Wala, Ivana.
Iba na.
Okay na. Melee trap, melee trap. Play coming, pay attention. Range trap, pam pam plague, pam pam. Okay na. Range trap, range trap. Second shambling.
Careful clip.
Play coming. OT trap, OT trap. Gex, dispel out mo na lang yan, Gex. Okay na. Ay, puta, di kalabaw. Okay na. OT trap, OT trap. It's on me. Spears. Assault nga ng mages. Forgot to salve. Do yourselves, guys. Stack square. Second holy rat. Second holy rat. Third holy rat. Do not drop piercing howl. Defile, defile, defile.
Hello?
May isa pa. Pa-cheap shot ng green. Okay na pala. We're good, we're good. May isa pa ako. Ardent Rock. BL, BL, BL. Kabilang side tayo, kabilang side. Stack sa square, guys. Stack sa square. Innervate daw shaman.
Defile in 3, 2, 1.
Defile, defile, defile.
Hello?
Warlock grab. Oh my god. Nice. Good blink. Second holy rat. Second holy rat.
Nagrab ako.
Lil Pumps, holy rat. H-Pal kung kaya mo mag holy rat pa holy rat. Pwede mo na iton. Okay na. Taunted na, taunted na. Defile muna, defile. Defile first, defile in 3.
Defile in 3, 2, 1. Hello? Defile?
Okay na. Stack behind the boss. Stack sa square, guys. Stack sa square. Hard stack, hard stack. Third Holy Rat. Second Holy Rat. Second Holy Rat. Third Holy Rat. Defile in 3, in 2, in 1. Defile. Spread, spread, spread. Okay na. Huwag niyo apakan guys. Huwag niyo apakan. Last set. 46 pa. Balik sa gitna. MD tricks nga isa. Sa DK. Valks lang. Stop sa boss. Valks. Stop on boss. Valks.
In 3,
Defile, defile, defile.
1. Hello, defile.
Okay na, okay na, okay na. Huwag niyo apakan guys. Huwag niyo apakan. Second Holy Rat. Third Holy Rat. Pa-chip shot ng green. Pa-chip shot ng green. Chip shot green. Chip shot green. Okay na. We're good. I'll desack
Edge
this.
tayo, edge.
Ama bubble pa Himovoke. Pa-innervate daw sa shaman. Chuchu. Okay, melee pop cooldowns. Mages raging. Raging na. All mages on raging. Yung lower health guys. After that skull. Third. Pa-taunt off na lang. Okay, good. Skull lang guys. Skull, skull, skull. Spheres, clear spheres. Shadow Priestess.
Nag-salve na ng mga mages niya.
Salve na. Pa-salve mages. Do your salves again. Okay, ito na yun. Focus up. Stack sa square. Stack, stack, stack. 1, 2, moving.
Palo square, guys.
O nang pasak ako pagkalabas ah. Pahap ng shaman. Ako na maghap. Ay. Lil Pumps pahap ng shaman. Hindi nakabind yung hap ko. Wait lang, wait lang, wait lang, wait lang. Tandaan lang. Defile pagkalabas ah. Defile pagkalabas. Pasak na ako.
Hello, defile.
Okay na.
Raging guys.
Raging lang, raging lang.
Huwag kayo sa harap.
Good lang kayo.
Raging down na, LK.
Lich King na ulit, Lich King. Defile in 3,
Defile
in
in
2.
2, 1. Hello, defile.
Pagka-spawn, pwede mo na i-taunt ah. Taunt mo na to. Cross mo, cross, cross. Tawid mo na, tawid mo na. Attack sa square. Moving.
Move, move, move. Hug the wall.
Huwag niyo ako unahan, huwag niyo ako unahan. Big tayo, big. May bomba dyan. Wait lang, wait lang. Big tayo, big, big, big. Dito, dito. Babagsakan kayo dyan. Ah! Mag-wall. Defile pagkalabas. Defile pagkalabas.
Hello, Defile.
Hysteria. Power infusion. Tawid mo na, tawid mo na. Goods. Sige pa, sige pa, sige pa. Tawid more. More.
Defile. 3,
Defile, defile,
Two.
defile, defile, defile.
1. Hello, Defile.
Tawid mo lang pero slow ah. Slow lang. Yan. Okay, last pasok. Stack sa square. Clear na yung spirits moving.
Mob, mob, mob. Casting Aura Mastery. Masyado nang mababa yung buhay.
Big tayo, big. Hindi tayo. Cross natin yan.
Pop your DTS guys.
Defile pagkalabas ah. Last defile to. Last defile. Dito na tayo.
Hello, Defile.
Defile, defile, defile. Okay na. So, sagad mo pa yan. Last pala ng spirits. Pwede mo na yung cross.
One part.
Very nice.
Nice ka do.
Pabigyan na lang din si Nikis ng DKP.
Greatest champions, you overcame every challenge I laid before you. My
Naroll ba yung belt? Di ko napansin pala.
before your relentless onslaught, your unbridled fury. Is it truly righteousness that drives you? I wonder. You trained them well, Fordring. You delivered the greatest fighting force this world has ever known. Right into my hands. Exactly as I intended. You shall be rewarded for your unwitting
Good job, guys.
Watch now as I raise them from the dead to become masters of the Scourge. They will shroud this world in chaos and
Bane.
destruction.
Bane.
Bane.
Eh, na may bumubulok na, sir. Hey, God.
Ano ata, rogue lang ata yung reserved na spot. Si Smoothest. Parogue naman natin.
Akala ko si Jaren, sir. Pasta ka ako.
Pag si Jackie ulit, ano na ako? Na ano, inaantok na pala
Tulog
ako.
na lang natin. Tulog na lang natin to.
Give me strength to shatter these bonds.
Wala nang balak palitan yung Chuchu, sir. Hanggang
Oo nga,
hindi DBW daw eh.
Ayaw pa yung Ice Crown Citadel eh.
Ang DDW.
Ayun na pala, Warmane Citadel.
No, wait yun, sir. Sasali yun,
STS baka sunod nun. HC. Nasali mo sa akin sa DG.
No more, Arthas! No more lives will be consumed by your hatred! Free, at last.
It is over, my son. This is the moment of reckoning. Rise up, champions of the light!
Oh, trade na yung star. Nasaan yung star?
Sino ang mananalo ng Invincible? Uy, Rogue ang nauuna sa DKB.
Patayin nyo na guys. Tayo na, wala palang tumitira oh.
Yes, sir.
Uy, Fallen Rush. Wow.
Putarenas.
O sino na yung naka 4
Nakanina yung
piece?
belt na kay si Shit.
Oo.
Shit.
Sino na naka 4 piece Conky Heroic after na itong raid? Wala nang ibang nag-drop eh.
TY, sir.
Thank you.